Hi, welcome back to my channel, Show Me's World. So let's talk about what really makes a marriage strong and healthy. In truth, it starts with the bond between the two partners. If the couple has emotional intimacy, open communication, mutual respect, they can handle everything else together. But if couple doesn't has emotional intimacy, open communication, mutual respect, they can't handle any. I mean, a little problem also they can't handle. Otherwise they can, if they have good communication, mutual respect, they can handle big problems. Actually, a healthy marriage is not about staying together, it's about growing together, emotionally, mentally, spiritually, educationally also sometimes, professionally, in every aspect it's means growing together. And it's built on respect. Don't think only love is enough. No. Main foundation is respect, trust, clear communication, and shared effort, not 50-50. This is a on this I will create a full episode. Effort not can't be 50-50 every time. Sometimes husband can be 50, 70, sometimes wife can be 70, sometimes someone can be 5, sometimes someone can be 80, like that. But it should be shared. So now I will tell you point by point. You can note it down also, but I think it is not that you don't know. I'm just saying, just listen and try to understand and keep in mind. That's enough, I think. This is not science, this is not maths, this is not anything tough that you can't remember. That means you don't need to remember like reading. So just listen and try to understand that. First point, what is important to keep marriage healthy is open and honest communication. This is very much important. You can talk freely without fear. I mean, you have to talk freely without fear or judgment. सब कुछ शेयर कर सकते हो या नहीं. कुछ लोग बोलेंगे कि क्यों सब कुछ शेयर करेंगे. सब कुछ शेयर करने के लिए बेस्ट फ्रेंड है, बहन है, या किसी का मम्मी है, किसी के लिए बहन है, किसी के लिए बेस्ट फ्रेंड है, किसी के. बट दैट इज़ ओके. That was your lifestyle before marriage. Okay, you want to still share, that is okay. That is a different issue, that you should not share everything after marriage with others. At least about marital relation, that is a different topic. That's also on I will share on that same topic. So now, open and honest communication between two partners, that is really very important. If you can't share, if you feel that he or she will judge me, or इफ़ यू फील कि मैं इसे नहीं बोल सकती, या मुझे जज करेगा या मुझे डांटेगा, देन दैट इज़ नॉट हेल्दी. आप कुछ भी करने का मन हो, किधर भी जाने का मन हो, कुछ भी मतलब फील हो, बेझिझक बिना सोचे कि बोलूँ या नहीं, ये सोचे बिना बोल सकते हो अगर, तो दैट इज़ अ हेल्दी मैरिज. और अगर नहीं बोल सकते हो तो देयर इज़ सर्टेन प्रॉब्लम. ढूंढो उस पॉइंट को कि क्यों नहीं बोल पा रहे हो, कि क्या प्रॉब्लम है, कि बोलने से क्यों नहीं बोल पा रहे हो. सामने वाला डांटेगा कि मुझे ये करना नहीं करने देगा, क्यों, क्या प्रॉब्लम है. तो वर्क ऑन दैट कि क्यों नहीं बोल पा रहे हो. क्योंकि देयर शुड बी अ open and honest communication if you want a happy, healthy and successful marriage. Successful marriage means not ki you are staying for 50 years 40 years together but don't have any good relationship. तो ओपन एंड ऑनेस्ट कम्युनिकेशन कर नहीं पा रहे हो तो उसके पीछे का रीज़न खुद ढूंढो कि क्यों नहीं कर पा रहे हो. डर है या जजमेंट, मतलब डांट खाने का डर है, या तुम्हें नीचा दिखाएगा इसका डर है. तो दैट इज़ यू नीड टू पॉइंट इट आउट, बिकॉज दैट इज़ नॉट. इफ़ तुम्हारा पार्टनर तुम्हें नीचा दिखाएगा कि तुम ऐसा भी सोच सकते हो, तुम्हारा चॉइस ये है, तुम्हें ये खरीदना है, तुम्हें उधर जाना है, तुम्हें ये काम करना है, तो देन देयर इज़ लैक ऑफ रिस्पेक्ट ऑल्सो. तो ओपन कम्युनिकेशन से बहुत कुछ समझ आता है. ओपन कम्युनिकेशन इज़ फर्स्ट एंड मैंडेटरी. ओपन एंड ऑनेस्ट कम्युनिकेशन. Then second point is mutual respect. So mutual respect is you value each other's opinions, boundaries and individuality. You don't dominate your partner or control your partner. Like as a individual, you both are grown. So you both अब दोनों अलग अलग क्या बोलते हैं उसको, एनवायरनमेंट में रहते थे, बड़े हुए हैं, पढ़ाई लिखाई हो, दोस्त हो, अलग अलग है, तो दोनों का चॉइस, कुछ थिंकिंग, कुछ ओपिनियन कुछ अलग होगा, इंडिविजुअलिटी होगा, उसमें डिस्कस करो। मतलब ऐसा नहीं कि मैंने ये बोल दिया तो तुम्हें यही करना पड़ेगा क्योंकि मैं अब तक ये करके आई, ऐसा नहीं। डोंट ट्राई टू कंट्रोल और डोंट ट्राई टू, that is not a, if your partner always try to control your what you want to do or what is your opinion, ki your opinion should not be like this, then that is not a healthy marriage. But if your partner respects you, listens your opinions, but discuss, they can discuss like as a couple, मी एंड माई हस्बैंड, हम दोनों डिस्कस करते कि मेरा ओपिनियन ये है, वो बोलते हैं कि मेरा ओपिनियन ये है, तो हम दोनों फिर एक जैसे स्कूल में होता था ना नॉर्मल एक फ्रेंडली डिबेट, एक ऐसा कि मैंने ये बोला कि मेरा ये पॉइंट है इसलिए ये है, मतलब एक दूसरे को, और उसने भी बोला कि मेरा ये पॉइंट है, ये लॉजिक है इसके पीछे इसलिए ये है, तो दोनों ट्राई करते हैं एक दूसरे को समझाने की। इट्स नॉट कि मैंने ये बोल दिया कि तो फिर तुम्हें ये सुनना ही पड़ेगा, ऐसा नहीं है। डिस्कस करके एक दूसरे का मतलब सेम ओपिनियन पेज पे आ सकते हैं, नहीं भी आ सकता है कि बहुत डिस्कस होने के बाद भी लग सकता है कि मेरा ओपिनियन यही है, तुम्हारा ओपिनियन यही है, अलग ही रह गया, तो दैट इज़ ऑल्सो ओके। बट कंट्रोल नहीं, मतलब कंट्रोल है तो दैट इज़ नॉट हेल्दी। तो म्यूचुअल रेस्पेक्ट इज़ वेरी मच मैंडेटरी। एंड थर्ड इज़ टीम वर्क इन टफ टाइम्स, दैट इज़ अनदर इम्पॉर्टेंट टॉपिक, टीम वर्क। As you both after marriage you became team for lifetime till death. Sorry, I am saying about healthy marriages, so there is no concept of divorce and all, so for lifetime team I consider that. So teamwork in tough times, you support each other during setbacks, decisions are made together, not forced or one-sided. That's why I already said in mutual respect topic that opinion can be different, but you can't control. So some tough times you in maybe you need to take one decision, so you both discuss, give your opinion, take your partner's opinion, you both discuss. If two educated people discuss with logic, with points that why it should be done and why it should not be done, then obviously if you both will try, then in any tough times you can take one decision. That is important. In little, like if you both are discussing about other topic like politics, cricket, football, weather, then that is okay, that they are two different opinion is okay. But in your own life, like as an example, you both want to you both are running a startup, so in that case you both need to come on same point. You both for about your children, you both are planning to do something, so for that also you need to come on same point. About your finance, household finance, how to manage, so about that also both need to come on same point. About your both careers, like you got job another city, he or she got your partner got job in another city, so what to do, what not to do, where to settle, so for that also you need to be on same page. Parents, about parents also sometimes about parents also sometimes you need to be on same page, like taking care of parents, how to take care of parents. There are certain things you need to both, that you also you both need to come on same page and take a decision. So decisions can't be like always ki only one member is taking decision and another one is just listening by controlling or dominating, so that is not okay. So you both need to take decisions together. So we are done with 3 main topics, and 4th is also important topic, that is emotional safety. Okay, so today I discussed on 3 topics in details. Others I will try to cover in next video. Till then, keep prioritizing your marriage. See you in next video. Bye bye.